Imagine spending thousands of dollars on a cruise vacation and ruining the entire trip because of one small mistake you could have avoided. From missing the ship to paying hundreds of dollars for things you could have gotten for free, these mistakes happen to both first-time and experienced cruisers. So before you step on board, here are 10 cruise mistakes that can completely ruin your vacation. Number 10. Arriving at the port too late. One of the biggest mistakes cruise passengers make is arriving at the port at the last minute. Many people think a cruise ship will wait for them if they are running late. But the reality is very different. Cruise ships operate on strict schedules. Once the final boarding time passes, the ship can leave, even if you are standing at the port. Traffic, flight delays, long security lines, and unexpected problems can all cause delays. That is why experienced cruisers usually arrive in the departure city at least one day before the cruise begins. Missing the ship at the beginning of your vacation is one mistake that can cost you money, time, and your entire trip. Number 9. Not checking your cabin location. Not every cabin on a cruise ship is the same. Some cabins are close to elevators, restaurants, theaters, and busy public areas. Others may be directly below a nightclub or beneath a swimming pool. That means you could spend your entire vacation hearing footsteps, music, or noise above your head. Before choosing a cabin, check its location on the ship's deck plan. If you want a quieter experience, avoid cabins directly above or below busy public areas. A beautiful cabin is not always a peaceful cabin. Number 8. Overpacking. Many first-time cruisers pack far too much. They bring huge suitcases filled with clothes they never wear. Cruise cabins can be smaller than hotel rooms, and storage space can be limited. Instead of packing your entire wardrobe, plan your outfits before the trip. Also remember that some cruise lines have dress codes and restrictions on certain items. Packing smart can save space, reduce stress, and make your entire trip easier. Sometimes, bringing less actually gives you more freedom. Number 7. Forgetting to bring important documents. This mistake can cause serious problems before your vacation even begins. Passengers sometimes arrive at the port without the correct identification, travel documents, or required paperwork. And without the right documents, you may not be allowed to board. Before your trip, carefully check the cruise line's official requirements. Make sure your passport, identification, visas, and other required documents are valid and easily accessible. Never wait until the last minute to check this. A missing document can turn your dream vacation into a very expensive disappointment. Number 6. Booking every excursion through the cruise line. Cruise excursions can be exciting, but booking every activity directly through the cruise line can become extremely expensive. In some ports, similar tours and activities may be available for much less through local operators. However, this is where you need to be careful. If you book an independent tour, you must make sure you have enough time to return to the ship before departure. The ship will not always wait for passengers who are late. So before booking anything, research carefully, check the timing, and always leave extra time to get back. Saving money is great, but missing the ship is not. Many passengers miss some of the best activities on the ship simply because they never check the daily schedule. Cruise ships offer entertainment, shows, events, classes, activities, and special experiences throughout the day. But some events happen only once. If you do not check the schedule, you may miss something you would have really enjoyed. Take a few minutes each morning to look at the day's activities. It could help you discover experiences that you never even knew were available. Number 4. Spending money without tracking your account. A cruise can feel almost unlimited. You swipe your card for a drink, a meal, an activity, or a souvenir, and suddenly, the bill becomes much larger than expected. Many passengers only discover how much they spent when the final bill arrives. To avoid this, check your onboard account regularly. Keep track of drinks, specialty restaurants, shopping, excursions, and other extra charges. A little attention throughout the trip can prevent a very unpleasant surprise at the end. Number 3. Not bringing medicine or essential items. Another common mistake is assuming you can easily buy everything you need on the ship. Cruise ships may have shops and medical facilities, but certain items can be expensive or limited. If you take regular medication, bring enough for the entire trip, and keep it in your carry-on luggage. It is also smart to pack basic essentials you may need during travel. Your checked luggage may not reach your cabin immediately after boarding. Having important items with you can make the beginning of your cruise much more comfortable. Number 2. Treating every port the same way. Every cruise destination is different. Some ports are easy to explore on foot. Others may require transportation, careful planning, or extra safety awareness. A common mistake is getting off the ship without researching the destination. Before arriving at each port, learn about the local area, transportation options, opening hours, and the time you need to return to the ship. Remember, ship time and local time can sometimes be different. Always pay attention to the ship's instructions. The ship's departure time is the only time that matters. Number 1. Thinking the cruise ship will wait for you. This is perhaps the most expensive mistake a cruise passenger can make. People sometimes leave the ship, explore a port, and return late. They assume the ship will wait. But cruise ships operate on strict schedules. If you miss the departure time, the ship may leave without you. Now you may have to arrange your own transportation to the next port, and that can cost a huge amount of money. The simple rule is this: always return to the ship early. Do not plan to arrive at the last minute. Give yourself extra time for traffic, delays, and unexpected problems. The ship may be your hotel, your restaurant, and your transportation, but it will not always wait for you. A cruise vacation should be relaxing, exciting, and unforgettable. But a few simple mistakes can quickly turn an amazing trip into an expensive nightmare. Arrive early. Choose your cabin carefully. Pack smart. Check your documents. Watch your spending. Research every port, and most importantly, always return to the ship before departure. If you found these tips useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more cruise travel tips, secrets, and mistakes you should avoid. And before your next cruise, remember, the best vacation is not just about knowing where to go. It is also about knowing what not to do.